Hello and welcome to our video on understanding climate change, causes, impacts, and solutions. Climate change is one of the most pressing issues of our time, and it's important that we all understand the causes, impacts, and solutions to this global problem. In this video, we'll explore the science behind climate change, the impacts it has on our planet, and what we can do to mitigate its effects. Part 1: Causes of Climate Change. The first thing we need to understand is what causes climate change. The main cause is the increase in greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, such as carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat from the sun and warm the planet's surface. The main sources of greenhouse gases are human activities, such as burning fossil fuels for energy, deforestation, and industrial processes. These activities have increased the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere, causing global temperatures to rise. Part 2: Impacts of Climate Change. The impacts of climate change are far-reaching and affect every part of our planet. Some of the most significant impacts include rising sea levels, which threaten to inundate coastal cities and cause more frequent and severe flooding. More frequent and intense heat waves, which can be deadly for vulnerable populations. Changes in precipitation patterns, which can cause droughts and wildfires in some areas and flooding in others. Loss of biodiversity and ecosystem services, which can have cascading effects on food security, human health, and economies. Part 3: Solutions to Climate Change. While the impacts of climate change are daunting, there are solutions that we can implement to mitigate its effects. Some of the most effective solutions include reducing greenhouse gas emissions through the use of renewable energy sources such as wind and solar power. Increasing energy efficiency in buildings and transportation systems. Investing in carbon capture and storage technologies. Protecting and restoring forests and other natural carbon sinks. Shifting towards sustainable agriculture and land use practices. Closing. In conclusion, climate change is a complex issue that requires urgent action. By understanding its causes, impacts, and solutions, we can work towards a more sustainable and equitable future. It's up to all of us to do our part to address this global challenge, whether it's through personal choices, advocacy, or policy changes. Thank you for watching this video on understanding climate change.